Namaskar, I'm Ronithan, welcome back to my channel, The Bong Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official trailer for Auroh Mein Kahan Dum Tha. Auroh Mein Kahan Dum Tha. This is directed by Neeraj Pandey and stars Ajay Devgan, Tabu, Jimmy Shergill, Shantanu Maheshwari and Sai Manjrekar. Wow, what a cast, what a cast. Shantanu, yay! I love Shantanu. Okay. This is his second film and I'm so much excited for him. Anyway, let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go.
कृष्णा कोई हमको अलग तो नहीं करेगा ना?
हम चेक किए थे, अभी तक कोई पैदा नहीं हुआ है। किसी ने ट्राई भी किया ना तो आग लगा देंगे दुनिया को।
Oh, so he plays Ajay Devgan's younger version.
आज मेन्यू में एक मटर भी है चाचा।
चश्मा उतारा क्या?
कृष्णा, तकरीबन 23 साल पहले तुमने 2 खून किए थे और तुम कल रिहा होने वाले हो। पर तुमने एक एप्लीकेशन फाइल की कि तुम्हारी सजा कम नहीं की जाए। क्यों?
सर, मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ बाहर के लिए।
वो कल निकल रहा है ना?
बताऊं तुम्हें क्या ज़िदें दिल की जो भूल चुका वो भी याद रहा। मैं तुमसे बिछड़ के भी जाने क्यों हर वक्त तुम्हारे ही साथ रहा।
बहुत वक्त था ना मेरे पास। तुम्हारे हर सवाल का कम से कम 5 जवाब है मेरे पास।
मैं याद आती थी कभी तुम्हें?
तो तुम हो कृष्णा, अभिजीत। 22 साल पहले तुम्हारे पास करियर था, सपने थे, बसु थी, मगर इस एक हादसे ने सब कुछ बदल दिया। उस रात एग्जैक्टली हुआ क्या था?
दिमाग का प्रॉब्लम है अभिजीत। करता पहले, सोचता समझता बाद में।
पिछले 22 सालों में शायद ही कोई दिन होगा जब मैंने इस पल के बारे में सोचा ना हो।
और 22 सालों में शायद ही ऐसा हुआ होगा कि मैंने इस पल के अलावा कुछ और सोचा हो।
The music!
जब दिल से धुआं उठा, बरसात का मौसम था। 100 दर्द दिए उसने जो दर्द का मरहम था। हमने ही सितम ढाए, हमने ही कहर तोड़े। दुश्मन थे हम ही अपने, औरों में कहाँ दम था।
Interesting, very interesting. Why very interesting? There's something going on. Like, it seems like a typical action romantic love story, but something tells me there's something more to it. I mean, it's more than what meets the eye. I don't know. I just feel it because they're definitely shown as the younger version of Ajay Devgan and Tabu, who fell in love, and Ajay Devgan's character, that is played by Shantanu Maheshwari, is a rebellious kid, and he's kind of a person who will go all out for his love. Anything that comes in his way, he's going to cut it off. But what happened? What happened in the past that he had to go to jail? Did he really kill people? Was it him, or was everything fabricated to look like he did something like that? I don't know what is going on, and why is he not wanting to come out of jail? And when he comes out, what happens next? Like, what is the end goal of this love story? This looks very interesting. The music is definitely the most powerful thing that I felt from this movie. MM Cream, oh my god, what a music director, what a powerful music director. I'm so glad they brought him for the music of this, because the particular song that we heard, it gave me goosebumps. The sheer power of the vocals and the music that we heard is definitely going to elevate this movie. I'm so stoked for the music album for this. I'm so happy that Shantanu is getting so much limelight, because he's a phenomenal actor. Okay, we have seen glimpses of that in what is the name, Gangubai, but trust me, if you have watched him grow as an actor from the MTV days in Dil Dosti Dance, then you know that he's such a great actor. I always loved him as an actor, and I think he has so much potential. I'm so glad that he's getting a full-fledged role in this. He's going to get a dance number, he's going to get a shine in this along with Sai Manjrekar. His love story seems very interesting, and I want to get into the depth of it. I want to know more about them. I'm so stoked and so interested and intrigued to know more about their love story when they were young. In the future also, how does Jimmy Shergill come into the picture and what happened? He knows already about everything. So it feels like he might have set all this up for Ajay Devgan to go to jail, and is this a revenge story? I mean, we can clearly say that Tabu is in love with Ajay Devgan still now. So what's going on? Let me know. I feel like it's more than the revenge storyline. There's something going on more than what we can see. I'm loving Shantanu's look with the buzz cut. Yeah, interested, intrigued. Let me know down in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share the love. And then, ciao.